Okay, so I've been waiting to do an unboxing of this package that came in. So I am so excited to show you guys, and I'll be even more excited to show you me doing it. Okay, so ready? 1, 2, 3. There we go. Jeb Boxercise exercise video. I am so excited about this video, and I'm so excited to try it. It is lean, 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 twist, 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 bob, and weave workout DVD. Thank you so much, JebBoxer, for sending this video to us, or this DVD. We will take good care of it, and we are going to make a video doing the exercises on here. So I'm excited about it, and I thank you so very much for sending it to us. Okay, so make sure you guys go out and support Jeb Boxercise.